Welcome to another edition of Hookthemfish. We're back, Vermilion River, hot summer day, busting some big channel cats on a worm and bobber.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today we're heading out to another river. We're going to go fish for some catfish, and then on the way back fish for some smallmouth and largemouth. The river is like completely almost dried up. I mean, it is so low. The gauges and stuff are like below zero. We haven't had rain in like 2 months, so it's been bad. But we're going to go out. We're going to see if we can catch some fish. We caught a lot of catfish last time, and you guys seemed to like that video. So we're going to go out and see if we can catch some. So let's go. So here are the bass fishing lures that we're going to be taking. I'm not taking nearly anything, just on the way back this is where we're going to be fishing. I have a popper here, a frog, a couple hooks with some weights, some rooster tails, 2 zoom horny toads because I really have good luck on those with smallmouth and largemouth, another small buzzbait, and an underspin. That's all for those. And then these I just have some fat Albert grubs and some finesse worms. There's the eagle. I don't know if you guys can see that. I thought it was a rock. It's an eagle. Or a big hawk. I think it's an eagle. I think it's the...
Is that an eagle?
I think. I don't know what that thing's doing.
Yeah, it's hurt.
Is it?
Yeah.
First one of the day.
Oh, here, take him.
Hold on, no. Come over here. Stay in the shot. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Am I in the camera?
Yeah, that's a big one. Wow, that big.
What?
Nice one. First cat of the day. Really nice one.
Help me out. Where you got him?
I'll get him.
It's a big one.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, look at the size of this. First cast, a worm and a bobber. This is about 8 pounds. This thing is huge.
Giant.
Look at it. Big channel cat. Let's get this thing back in the water. Look at this thing. What a nice one. Let's get it back.
Awesome.
Man, this one don't want to come in.
I don't think anybody's fished back here.
Look at the size of this, guys. Ugh. Hot summer day, busting some big channel cats on a worm and bobber. Let's get them back.
Oh yeah, get on the camera. No, don't horse him. It's a big one too. Yeah, don't horse him. Just let him undo your drag. Let him pull it. big one too.
Force him.
Look at this thing. Oh my god, this thing's huge. Holy crap. Oh my god. Look at that fish. That's the second one. I'm gonna get the hook out and then we'll get back to you. Fish of the day.
I got one.
You got one too?
Yeah, but mine's just a bluegill or whatever was fighting over it.
Big old catfish. Look how big that thing is. That's probably around 8-9 pounds like the last one he caught. Let's let him go. Look at that thing. Awesome.
Here, you want me to film it going?
Ready? Oh, he's ready to go. Awesome. Oh. Holy crap. I got another big one, man. Holy cow.
Let me get the camera again.
I don't think it's that big. Yeah, it is. Holy cow. Man. Wow.
Don't horse him.
Holy cow, man. Look at that one. That one's huge. Alright, let's try that again. Another huge fish, probably about 5-6 pounds. Hear him talking. Awesome. Just let him go. He's got another big one. Is it big? Small?
There's about a 3-pounder. They're just out cruising right now, eating. Boy, it's a lot of fun.
Man, didn't even have the camera on. As soon as I cast it out there, that cat took it under. I think it's another pig too.
Oh! You horsed it.
Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to say catfishing is a great way to catch fish. Great way to spend some time if you guys aren't, into bass fishing or anything like that. Catfishing is definitely an awesome way to fish. If you guys have any rivers or creeks or anything like that, go ahead and try to fish for them. I mean, this river is completely down. We are having a drought right now, and going out there, those catfish are trapped and they're cruising around looking for food, and that's when we caught them. It was late evening, about 6:30, 7 o'clock, and we fished for a couple hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a great time out on the water, and be sure to see more videos from us out on the river very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.